Hey y'all, so today I will be making chicken, rice, and broccoli. As you guys can see here, I am rinsing off the chicken before I season it.
Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want.
So I'm going to be seasoning my chicken with sazon,
What you want.
black pepper, salt,
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love
onion powder,
Gary,
smoked paprika,
Jackie Brown.
garlic powder,
Wanna know what she too.
and then I'm going to mix it together.
Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, get no lady.
And cover it.
Time,
Stop doing what I want.
just some me time.
And let it marinate in the refrigerator for 24 hours.
Over more, my killers don't tell.
Now I am prepping the broccoli. So I'll go ahead and I put it in this bowl. And then I rinse it and let it soak in water until it's time for me to cook it.
In the meantime,
Stop doing what I want.
get some me time.
Doing what you want.
So now I am prepping the broccoli by putting the stove on medium high.
Like mine. Wake up for you on your like once. Life move fast when you do.
And I'm seasoning the broccoli with 4 sticks of butter
Get some me time.
and pepper.
In the meantime,
Stop doing what I want.
get some.
And then I just let it steam. Now I'm going to cook the rice. I use 2 cups of rice.
Leave me.
And as you guys know, because this is nothing new, because I'm always cooking rice, you rinse the rice until it's no longer a sandy color.
Like a glance from the sky.
I'm going to season the rice with olive oil and salt.
My dreams.
Now I'm frying the chicken. So I put the chicken into the flour and shake it.
Listening what you done.
And then I put it in the grease.
Feel like you're testing me. You're the you woke up.
And this is how they came out.
Me up, don't let me go. No.
And the plate overall looks like this. It was very delicious. Don't be afraid to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video.